My name is Alessandro Chemla. I go to the Cushman High School and I'm in 12th grade. What happened was I was repeatedly getting a bad score on the math section of the SAT, and I tried using Khan Academy. I started studying with Khan Academy, and I felt it just wasn't working with me because of the explanations. I wasn't getting clear explanations, and I wanted further, deeper explanations on why I was getting these questions wrong. It was a problem because it limited the reach of schools I could apply to, like especially in Florida, that required test scores, and other schools that also required test scores that I wanted to apply to, but with my score I couldn't. All right, at math, I just didn't have a very good base. Like I didn't really understand like algebra one that well. Like I didn't have a good teacher for algebra one, so and my base like math level was like not very well. Like I was very good with algebra two and pre-calculus, but like the simple things I just wasn't very good at. My biggest frustration was I know that like a lot of the stuff I knew that I had like seen before in past classes, especially like algebra one, and geometry and stuff, but I just couldn't remember like how to do it. And also like even when I learned like online and like watching videos, when I learned like I would just forget it when the time of the test came. So it was quite frustrating. I was kind of skeptical about it because I don't really do good with group like learning. Like usually when I tutor, it's like one-on-one. So I was kind of skeptical about it, but it was way better than I thought. I actually really liked it, and I liked how you were with the same kids, like more or less the same kids for each week, and it was very like it was not a lot of kids. It was like 3 to 4 other kids each class. So you did get like the teacher to student ratio was really good, like one teacher for like 3 kids. So I thought it was like I thought it was good. I really liked it. I think they should know that you need to be dedicated if you want to do a piece of pie. You can't just slack off and like just kind of do work like whenever you can, like whenever whatever time you can. Like no, like you have to have a schedule and you have to actually put in the work and put in the time, because that's the only way you're going to be able to do this course. I did the summer program, so I kind of just um did like an even when I got all my assignments for the week, I did like an even amount each day, and I did an even amount throughout the week, and I had Saturday class, so I left Friday with like my least amount of work, maybe 1 or 2 assignments, so I could kind of have like a chill day off. But I mostly did my work in the mornings to get it over with, so I could still have um time to like go out and do stuff with my friends during the summer. So my final score was a 730 on math. I had a 250 point jump. I went from a 480 right before I started the course. It's enabled me to apply to a lot more schools that I wanted to apply to, but I didn't think I could because of my previous test score. I want to study business in college, and having like a really good math score is very helpful for that. So, like I've always had like a kind of decent reading score, but having a good math score is really fundamental. When you want to study business. Sounds cliche, but just like don't give up. Like I like didn't want to at first. Like I just wanted to like stop the course and not follow through with it, but it's all worth it at the end. Like it helps so much with getting into colleges, and like I know a lot of kids that are stressing because they don't have test scores. So definitely having test score is worth it, and putting in the work just for 2, 3 months, however long, like it's really worth it.